going to express each number in standard decimal notation form first. That's just a fancy way of saying the way we normally see numbers. You have a number with a decimal, and it's times 10 to the first. This is already written in scientific notation. So this exponent, if it's positive, you move the decimal to the right. If it's negative, you move the decimal to the left. So this means move to the right one place, because this exponent right here is a 1. So the original number was 5.3. We move the decimal to the right one place. That's where the new decimal is going to be. So anything in front of that is just a regular whole number. There are no numbers after that, so 53 is the answer to this one. This one says move the decimal to the right 3 places. So if you have a 9.4, you move it to the right 3, 1, 2, 3. Now any spaces that are missing, you have to put zeros. Here's the new decimal. You have to put zeros. So this one's 9,400 is the answer to this one. 7 7/700. Positive means to the right 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where the new one is. We're going to have to put in 3 zeros for this one. So it's 707,000. We have 2.6 here. Now this is a negative exponent. Negative exponents move to the left. So I'm going to move to the left 3. 1, 2, 3. That's my new decimal. We have 2 wholes. Now, since you have a decimal in front of your numbers, it's going to be a decimal answer. You need to put a 0 in front of the decimal. So 0.0026. The next one, the original number is 8.651. Negative exponent moves to the left 2 places. So I'm going to put a 0 here. I'm going to put 1 out front. So 0.08651. And then 6.7. Negative exponent moved to the left 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 0.1234567. Okay, that's the answer to number 6. The next section is going the other way around. Express each number in scientific notation. So here you want to put a decimal after the first number that's not a 0. So right here, 5.61 times 10. Okay, since it was a whole number, I mean it wasn't a really small decimal, we are going to go ahead and it's going to be a positive exponent, and the original, you just count how many numbers you have after your whole number there, so 2. So this one is going to be, you're going to stick right there, a decimal right there, and that's one number that you move the decimal. Okay, this is 5.64. Any zeros that are at the very end, if it's in the middle you can't drop them off, but if they're at the end you can. And then you have your times 10. Now we moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places. Okay, this is a negative exponent. I know that because it starts with a 0 in the front. So this is going to be, we're still going to put it after the first non-zero number, 7.52 times 10 to the negative. We had to move it from here to here 1 space. This is also a negative. I put my decimal after the first non-zero number, so 6.4 times 10 to the negative. and we moved it 1, 2, 3 spaces. And this one, the decimal would go right here between the 5 and the 8. 5.81 times 10 negative 1, 2, 3, 4.